Hello students, today we are talking about profit and loss examples. Okay, in last video I explained the formulas and what is profit and what is loss, what are the CPs and selling price or mark price, blah blah blah. So we are starting with examples, and there are interesting examples which are going to be asked in Navodaya exam as well as other competitive exams. Let us start. The cost price of an item is rupees 480 and the selling price of an item is rupees 500. Then find the profit percentage. Here there are two methods. First I am showing you the long methods. First of all, you have to write down CP. How much CP? CP is equal to rupees 480, right? Then what is SP? SCP means cost price and SP means selling price. What is selling price? Rupees 500. Okay, so this is done. Now you have to find out in this transaction what occurs if CP is less than SP, or you can say SP is greater than CP. That means what happens here? Profit. This digit is greater than this digit, means CP and SP. That time it occurs profit. So you can write formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Right? What is SP? 500 minus CP is equal to 480 is equal to 20. Right? Now 20 is profit, but here he has asked profit percentage. Percentage are always found on 100. You can see my, or you can watch my previous videos on percentage. Right? Now here you have to write profit percentage is equal to profit into 100 divided by CP. This is the formula of profit percentage. Now what is profit? 20 rupees and 100 for finding out percentage. What is CP? 480. Right? Now you have to cancel whatever is cancelled. Okay, 0 0 first of all we will cancel. Here 5 4 ja. Here what 4 ja? 12 4 ja. Again we can divide here 5 2 ja and 6 2 ja. So here 5 5 ja 25 upon 6. Right? It is in fraction. Now if numerator is greater than denominator, then you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How to convert mixed fraction improper? That you can watch my video of fraction. Now directly I can take here 6 4 24. Okay, then 1 is remainder and 6 is this uh, divisor. 6 4 20 plus 1 20. So this is the answer. So this is one method. Okay, another method is you have to club everything. How I am doing here? In this box I am doing the solution. Now see here, directly you can write profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP, okay, into 100 divided by CP. Here whatever is there, here loss is there, profit is whatever there, just here it can be changed. This 100 and this CP will be remain same. Only when A is given additional expense, then that time in place of CP you have to write down NP. Right? Now what is SP here? 500 minus 480 into 100 divided by CP is 480. Right? Now here 20 into 100 divided by 480. Now you can see same thing came here. Right? Same thing here also you can cancel 0 0, 12 4 jar, 5 4 jar and 6 2 jar and 5 2 jar. So 25, sorry, 6 2 jar. 25 upon 6, 4 integer 1 upon 6 percentage. Same answer you can get, but just only what is Here it is given separate formula. I had combined the formula. When profit is there, then SP minus CP. When a loss is there, CP minus SP. All other things remain same only. Okay, so this is the solution. Whatever method you like, you can go with that method, right? This is also correct and it is also correct. Same method, only just it is clubbed. It is, I tried to make it short, right? So this is the first example. Now I will go for second example. Now see one more example. A person bought an old table at rupees 325 and gave rupees 25 for repairing. Okay. Then what happened? Then he sold it in rupees 420. Find the gain percentage. Gain and profit both are same. You can say gain, you can say profit, you can say benefit. Okay, these are the similar words. Now what is CP? The things for which it is bought or purchased, that is called CP. So here CP is equal to 325, right? Now he expended rupees 25 for repairing. So whatever expense is done after purchasing, that is called AE, additional expense. How much? 25. Now you have to add both, then you get NP, net price. Okay, CP, this is purchase price, then whatever expense you have done, that is called AE, additional expense. Both together it becomes NP, net price. Okay, so what is net price? Now you have to forget this and you have to remember NP, net price. The whole sum will be done with the help of NP, right? Now here SP is also given. SP is equal to 420. Now he has asked, find out the profit percentage or gain percentage. Now what is the formula? Profit percentage is equal to, I will go that short formula, SP minus, here what I will write in place of CP, I will write NP. Okay, into 100 divided by NP, not CP. Why? Because CP has become now NP. Now what is SP? SP is equal to 420 minus NP 350 into 100 and NP 350. Now just you have to subtract 420 minus 350. Okay, how much? 70. 70 into 100 divided by 350. Now what you have to do is you have to cancel 1 0. Okay, 7 5 ja 35. Right? Now you can divide 100 by 5, that is 25 ja 100. Now what is the answer? 20% is your answer. It is very simple. Only just you have to remember that where to add AE and that, then what to use in place of CP. You have to use in place of CP, you have to use NP, right? And then simple formula as I wrote in the previous example. So only just subtraction and multiplication and cancellation and the answer. It's very easy, right? Now we'll go for one more example. Now see, the third example is a fruit seller buys banana at rupees 32 per dozen. Okay, he has used here per dozen and sells at rupees 40 per dozen. Here also per dozen is given. Find the profit percentage. Only just he has written per dozen to misguide you, right? Because sometimes what happen, here it is given per dozen and here it is given per piece. Then you have to convert all the things. Here the things will be changed, but here same it given per dozen, so no need to change anything. Just you have to do simple sum. How? CP is equal to 32, SP is equal to 40. Now profit percentage here or loss percentage. Now what is here? SP is greater than CP, right? Selling price is greater than cost price. Then what becomes? Profit. Now directly you can write profit percentage is equal to, what is the formula? SP minus CP into 100 divided by Cp. This formula you have to uh, learn by heart, right? Now what is Sp? 40 minus what is Cp? 32 into 100. Now what is Cp? Cp is equal to 32, right? Now just simple subtraction, 40 minus 32 is equal to 8. 40 minus 32, 8, then 100, and here 32. Now simple, in 8's table 32 comes, 8 4 ja 32, and 4's table 25 4 ja 100. Now 25 is the answer. It's very easy. Okay, so this is simple solution. Only why I have taken this example, because of per dozen. Okay, I will give you one more example uh, about to change these things. That will also I will cover in this chapter. So this is the solution. We'll go for one more example. Now see, fourth example is a buyer bought a box of bananas in 250. In how much rupees should it be sold to get rupees 50 profit? It's very simple. He has given here buyer bought means CP is equal to 250 and profit is equal to 50 rupees, right? Now he has asked to find what is SP, in how much it to be sold. Sold, sell, sells, that means SP. So SP is equal to CP plus profit. It is simple formula. CP is 250 and 50 is profit. So 300, it is the answer. It's very simple. So this way you can get the answer. It's very easy. There are some more difficult examples we will cover in our next video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.